That's a joke. Bro, who's a jokester? Anyways. I don't know what to do. So anyway, let's do something. Just play. See Mbappe, Aubameyang, Pjanic, David, Grovin, and Dante. Okay. I think I'm gonna be stuck here for a while. This game would not okay.
Saka, Musiala. Well, he tried to put everything into the shot, but couldn't find the target.
That was not a good one. That was a failed attempt. I'm not trying to encourage anybody.
And Leverkusen with the ball once more.
A 7-year-old. I shouldn't be really saying that.
Trying to really get at this could square the game. Well, it might still work out for them. Danger averted.
That was a great tackle from Ronaldo.
And he has options available.
Who did that? But in fact,
a no-nonsense defensive clearance. Jamal Musiala. Careless in possession.
This guy.
Will he finish? Oh, how on earth has he missed that? What a glorious opportunity.
Well, the flag's gone up and he was offside, but he didn't know that when he took his shot.
Declan Rice.
Okay. Declan Rice.
And into the last 15 minutes of action. Ismail Doucouré.
You can never make a good on shot.
Jamal Musiala.
Well, these fans have been brilliant. Just listen to the noise inside this stadium. Surely this will inspire the players to hang on. What a noise we've got.
But I can't do that anymore.
Ismail Doucouré.
Okay, Sahi.
Well, still time for them to level it. He's in behind. Well, you've got to say, he's been a bit unfortunate. The post beating him to it.
Well, he certainly is unlucky there. He got plenty on it, just lacking that bit of accuracy.
Okay, whatever. Not a turbulent.
And as a player goes, throw in coming up here.
Not too bad out of play.
Doucouré. And the electronic board has been held aloft. 3 additional minutes here. And that's easy peasy for the keeper. The referee blows for full time. It ends in a victory for the home team. No complaints from the fans here.
Well, Derek, they didn't dominate the game by any means today, but overall they had the better of the chances and just about deserved their win.
Killers in the jungle. Killers in the jungle. Killers in the jungle. Yeah, that. Killers in the jungle. Killers in the jungle.
What could I could do a basketball trick horizontal. For a beautiful wildwood. That's okay, but okay, ladies and gentlemen,
Tapsoba
is tall. Right, let's. Oh, he is a fast boy.
And the ball's gone. Well, it can be a bit of a hit or a miss when you try to catch the ball in that manner.
Well, it's a difficult skill, and on this occasion he can't quite pull it off. Just didn't hit it cleanly enough.
And great work to confuse the defender. Medina. 20 minutes to go in this one. Chance to put them in front. And a goal! Just when we wondered if this might finish 0-0. There it is. They're in front. Thomasson. This could level it. And a good take under duress there.
Under duress. What does duress mean? Anyone?
It's a well-struck pass. And he's made headway.
Well, just listen to the noise in here. These fans are doing everything to get their team over the finish line, and there's not long left now.
Okay. I want to play the hardest level.
Well, no time to waste. Can they find an equaliser? The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. A corner then, and with time running out, they've got to ask questions.
Oh my gosh, how did he save that?
Short corner favoured. Bukayo Saka. Tapsoba. They've given it away. So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said. Chances on. And there it is, the final whistle. And the fans will be leaving the stadium with smiles on their faces.
Well, Derek, it was a tight game. Both sides had their...
Yo, you hear that? And the aroma. They've been a very long time.
Before I end the video,
Listen, you hear that? I know what. Like the blizzard and this. Nah, it ain't Chris really end up in the jungle. Yo, listen, you hear that? Killers in the jungle. Killers in the jungle. Killers in the jungle.
I might do,
Killers in the jungle. Killers in the jungle. Jungle. The jungle.
or maybe not.
Jungle. The jungle. The jungle.
Okay. That's not the best way to talk to yourself, man. You can't say that. You can't do that. Ultimate scene of the season. This looks so annoying. Okay. Okay.
Edmond Tapsoba. Declan Rice. Useful looking position, you've got to say. But he was in the right place to intercept. Not the best clearance.
This is not the best.
Oh, he's missed, but by a minuscule margin.
Well, he couldn't have made better contact than that. His technique is brilliant. He's so unlucky there.
I was so unlucky because I focused on power, man.
Thomasson.
That's the worst thing I've ever seen.
Well, they've given him too much space. Can he put them in front? Oh no, it's gone horribly wrong in terms of the finish.
That's good for our team. We're not going
Klosterman. Tapsoba.
anybody because we're still in a tie. While I'm on medium mode. Wait, on amateur mode. Sorry.
And he has options available. He read the situation defensively and did his job.
Man, we can't do anything. This is a penalty
Thomasson.
shootout. This will be
Sotoka.
15 minutes long.
The move looks promising. A goal here surely would finish it. Well, with tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action potentially. Well, the card is out, and it's yellow.
Yeah, it's clumsy and it's late. Definitely a yellow card. Well, the atmosphere is so tense inside this stadium, but can they find that moment of magic to win this game? The crowd certainly think so. Just listen to them.
Well, the outcome is a free kick here.
This isn't it. They're wasting time. It's 86 minutes, and it's clearly done.
And clears the danger.
Mentally, it's like, I'd rather win than being penalty.
He's in behind. Well, I think fair to say, Stuart, not one for his personal scrapbook.
Well, that's really wayward. His technique completely let him down there.
Why am I missing? Please answer me. Please answer me.
Aguilar.
If anybody has an answer, please answer.
Sotoka. And still on the lookout for the goal that could be so important at this juncture. They cannot be separated here, and it's on to extra time.
Extra time it is, I guess.
So back in business here, the first period of extra time, and it might well come down to mental fortitude. Who wants this more? Well, now he's let that run out of play, and it will be a throw-in here. And Leverkusen come away with it. He succeeds in clearing it. Sotoka. Could go ahead. Can they forge ahead? Well, a poor effort from a difficult angle, Stuart.
Well, he took the wrong decision there. He surely had to cut that back.
That's a bad move. That's a good move. That's a good move, actually. I think I need him to come off the board.
A wonderful intervention.
Oh my gosh.
Well, the stoppage time situation, 1 minute here.
This video's already 12
And the first period of extra time comes to an end. Still level here.
This must be...
Well, who is going to come out on top? Let's see if we find out in the second period of extra time.
Okay. Right. Then it
Samed.
just destroyed.
And Leverkusen recovering possession well. In with a chance. Well, I'll tell you what, he knows there's room for improvement.
Well, he knew exactly what he wanted to do, but the shot was way off target in the end.
Samed. Sotoka. Salis Abdul Samed. Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance. Bayer Leverkusen continuing on the... Must take the lead here. Oh, that was begging to be put home, but the goalkeeper has it. Well, the two sides still locked together, and a set piece, a corner, and the opportunity goes a begging. He decided to hit that with power rather than going for placement.
Oh my gosh.
Well, there is going to be stoppage time, but only the 1 minute. Opportunity for victory, perhaps. Well, a really important piece of goalkeeping at this stage.
Well, it's such a key moment in the game. That's a really good save.
And he clears the danger. It always had the potential to go the distance, and it has, so a penalty should... And this will test the mentality of any footballer. He had to score, and he does. Can he get the better of the keeper? And just like that, he's come up with the save.
Oh, that was the easiest.
Well, it's all about keeping a cool head.
Being
As straight as an arrow.
That's straight as an arrow.
And the penalty converted here. Composure is so important under these trying circumstances. Job done from the spot.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna get the better? Who's gonna get the better?
And he's taken the low road. Beautifully done. Mental preparation is such a big part of this. And that is when you need your goalkeeper.
That is a straight like that comeback.
He's gambled on direction and won.
Oh my gosh.
And now a heaven-sent opportunity to win the match.
Oh my gosh. I Alright, this is a must win.
And the penalty to win it.
Well, what a penalty this is. He was under so much pressure, but he's finished it really well.
After. Okay.